Just over a month after the Netherlands scrapped most coronavirus restrictions, Prime Minister Mark Rutte now says he has no choice but to bring them back.
We again have a tough message this evening. Tough because we unfortunately have to ask more of people now that the infection numbers and hospital numbers are rising quickly.
The new measures, which will come into effect over the weekend, will impose a 1.5-meter social distancing rule, reintroduce mandatory face masks indoors, and extend COVID-19 passes to museums, terraces, and potentially the workplace. The Prime Minister also urged people to work from home and avoid crowded public transportation. The announcement came as the Netherlands experienced a fresh surge in COVID-related cases and hospital admissions, which were up 40% and 31% respectively in the past week. Dozens of protesters gathered outside the Justice and Security Ministry to voice their opposition to the measures, but others appeared to accept the new restrictions.
I'm starting to think there is no other option. I believe we only have ourselves to blame.
Obviously, I would prefer to not have these measures, but wearing a mask isn't the worst thing that can happen.
Do you think it will help?
No.
Tuesday's announcements marked yet another coronavirus policy U-turn by Dutch authorities. Last June, Mark Rutte predicted a beautiful summer and lifted most restrictions, only to reintroduce them a month later as infections surged and scrap them again in September.